Come on. Hey, what's going on, guys? Again, this is the second part of the vlog, and I said in my first vlog that we were going to go to the nature center, which was up there, but unfortunately we found out it was closed today for some reason. The doors were locked, but they should have had signs to where that says that the nature center was closed outside instead of us going all the way up to the door to get to look at it. But anyway, that's passed, and we're just gonna take this trip back up to the car, and from here to the car I'll just wrap it up again. Sorry for that inconvenience, folks. I wanted to take you guys inside and I'll show you the nature center on the inside, but unfortunately it's closed. But hey, what can we do? So we're just gonna go walk up this hill and back to the car. But if you're wanting to find a park in the Richmond area, has a lot of nature, a lot of trails, gardens, Maymont Park is the place. I highly recommend this park because it's a pretty well landscaped park, real clean, and it's just I highly recommend it to you all. Maybe next time I come in and do a vlog, hopefully it'll be open. So we're gonna make our way back up to the car, walking up these hills again. So what we're going to do is just cut through this field and just get to the car and head on back out. But yeah, look at the how wide, how much room you have out here if you bring your kids out here, you know, just to let them run around. And you could even play sports out here if you wanted to. Like play some frisbee, or even I think you can let your dogs roam around here as well. But at the same time, it's real hilly too. I mean, there are some flat parts here, but just be mindful, there's a lot of hills here as well. And again, there's that fountain up here, up to the right in front of us. There's that house where it shows you the beneficiaries at. Sorry for the camera. Yeah, it's just some awesome landscaping here. I love it. It's well maintained. They don't let this park go. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna give you one last shot of the entrance when we get up to it, and I'll wrap it up. Probably wouldn't mind working here, but I'm not going to volunteer. Need to get paid. I don't know if this is anybody's house right here, but it fits in. It's the entrance gazebo where you can just have a little chill before you either start or leave. And here's the front entrance. So guys, take care. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Y'all have a wonderful day. Until next time.